Hi, Jethan Reddy from Darshana Industries Private Limited. I head the business development for Darshana. Welcome to Forming Now. As you're all aware that Darshana Industries is the biggest manufacturer of machine elements and industrial components in India. So we are here at Forming 2026 showcasing our latest products, a range of track chains, a range of handles and hand wheels, and many more products that we have showcased at this show. And especially we have covered a new range of support arm system where the footprint of the overall support arm system lays very close to the machine itself, so that you don't have to have all the pendant arms lying out of the machine. So that's a new innovation for Forming 2026. So this year in Forming 2026, we have seen a lot of Indian companies accelerating in their engineering and technology. So as you can see, we are a proud Made in India company, and we always support Indian companies in delivering new engineering solutions and more technical products for enhancing their new designs.